Oh yo, kaulo besa u naru manire injuri kaura e. Oh yo, kaulo besa u naru manire injuri kaura. Hawa wazee ndio nguvu ya Wameru, na tunasema umoja wetu kama jamii ya Wameru ndio nguvu yetu. Na washukuru sana wazee hawa kwa sababu ya kukubaliana kumaliza tofauti zao kama kikundi cha wazee wa Jorincheke na kukuja pamoja, kwa sababu tukiwa pamoja kama jamii ndio tunaweza jitetea. Tukiwa pamoja kama jamii hatuwezi tishwa na wale ambao probably walikuwa wanadhani wataingilia Meru kwa sababu ya hizo mianya ilikuwemo wakati wazee wametengana. Kitu cha tatu ni kwamba tukiwa pamoja kama jamii tunaweza tetea Meru na kuwa ni sauti yenye nguvu hata kwa national government, ambapo hawa wazee wamekuwa wakiitisha maendeleo kutoka kwa national government wakiwa ndio mouthpiece ya jamii, na serikali kuu imekuwa ikiwaheshimu sana in the previous regimes. Lakini kwa saa hii wakati wa His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, hawa wazee hawakuwa na nafasi ya kuongea wakiwa na sauti moja, kwa sababu tulikuwa na hizo tofauti kidogo. Huo mwaka mmoja umebaki ndio tuingie kwa kura na kusonga mbele. Tunataka kuongea kwa sauti moja. Tukiamua ni hili jambo ndio tunataka kuomba kwa serikali, viongozi wale ambao wamechaguliwa na kura wanasema, wazee wa Jorincheke wana support, vikundi vya wanabiashara wana support, vikundi vya makanisa wana support, na inakuwa ni Wameru wanaongea kwa pamoja. Kwa hivyo sisi zote kama jamii ya Wameru tuko nyuma ya rais wetu, akiwa pamoja na deputy wake ambaye ni kijana wetu na pia ni mzee wa Jorincheke, His Excellency Professor Kithure Kindiki. Kama jamii ya Wameru, zile mambo mengi, sauti ambazo zinatokea umuhumu, zisitishe watu wa Meru. Watu wa Meru ni jamii ambayo iko na mipaka yake, iko na sheria zake. Kuna vile sisi tunaangalia mambo yetu na kuna vile tunaamua mambo yetu. Kwa hivyo na sisi tunajua tunawaelekeza wapi, tukiwa viongozi wa kisiasa na pia viongozi wa Jorincheke kama vile tumekuja pamoja siku ya leo. Na washukuru sana viongozi wa the two groups, mzee Kadhera akiwa chairman wetu, the current chairman, pamoja na the two secretary generals, mzee chief Aroyaro pamoja na kikundi yako, kwa sababu ya kukubaliana kuweka tofauti zenu mbali ama kando na kusema jamii ya Wameru ndio kubwa kuliko mtu yeyote ambaye ako hapa ama mwenye ako kule nje. Kwa hivyo kwa ufupi, leo ni Wameru wameshinda. Leo ni ushindi wa Wameru. Si kikundi ya Aroyaro imeshinda, si kikundi ya mzee Kadhera imeshinda, ni Wameru wameshinda. Leo ni ushindi wa Wameru. Umoja wetu ndio nguvu yetu. Naomba mama Chief Justice wetu Mama Koome sasa kuja Meru. Unajua nilimuuliza siku nyingine, mama, sinaona ukipeana accreditation jamii zingine pale waanze kufanya kesi za court wakiwa accredited na wakiwa maybe na zile stipends ndogo ambayo judiciary wanapeana, wakiunganisha pamoja na judiciary waanze kufanya kesi zingine zile za mashamba za kijamii. Kuja sasa kikundi yako ya Wameru ambayo ni jamii yako wamekuwa, na aliniambia governor, aliniambia sasa ni kikundi gani governor, nitaongea naye ndio tufanye hiyo kazi. Nikaona akiapisha kikundi moja kule Embu ambaye ali flag off waendelee kufanya kazi hiyo kusaidia judiciary. Sasa mama, tunamwambia kuja Meru kwa jamii yako, kuja sasa weka wakfu kikundi ya wazee wa Jorincheke wasaidie judiciary kukata cases.
This is the Njuri Ncheke Supreme Council ya Ameru Transition Accord. The leaders of Njuri Ncheke ya Ameru, greatly concerned by the leadership squabbles which have undermined unity and retarded development of the Ameru people from Dosin to Tonyeri in the recent past, held a high-level consultative meeting at the governor's office here in Meru town from 20th to 23rd July 2022 and made the following resolutions. Number 1, in total obedience and mortal fear of the curse of our most revered patriarch, Kaorobe Chao, we hereby reaffirm that Njuri Ncheke ya Ameru is one and shall always be one, united and indivisible unit forever and ever. Number 2, that Njuri Ncheke, which protects the vital and fundamental interests of all the Meru people, shall remain superior to and above all factions and partisan personal interests. Number 3, in order to resolve the current leadership squabbles and ensure peace and unity in Njuri Ncheke and all its organizational structures, we have unanimously agreed to establish a transition authority to manage the affairs of Njuri Ncheke and to organize a peaceful and smooth transfer of power in the Supreme Council and all the administrative organs of Njuri Ncheke within 18 months from today. Number 4, the Transition Authority shall comprise of a team of 13 members, led jointly by the outgoing chairman, Mr. Linus Kadera, and the incoming chairman, Mr. Adriano Aruyaro, and they shall start work with immediate effect. Number 5, the Transition Authority shall jointly manage all the Njuri Ncheke affairs in accordance with the law, Njuri Ncheke policies and procedures and traditions, and all its decisions shall be made by consensus. Number 6, the Transition Authority shall within the next 60 days convene a special general meeting of all Njuri Ncheke members at Ncheru to brief members about this accord and to deliberate on the burning issues affecting the Ameru people today. Number 6, the Transition Authority shall use its best endeavors to implement this accord in good faith and deal with all emerging issues according to the best interests of the Meru community. Number 7, in accordance with its established policies and traditions, Njuri Ncheke as an organization shall continue to work and support both the national and the county governments for the benefit of the Meru community. Number 8, we record our sincere thanks and gratitude to the Governor of Meru, His Excellency Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntwithingia, for his invaluable support and provision of excellent facilities which have enabled our members to meet to make this accord. Number 9, we also record our sincere thanks and gratitude to the Senator of Meru, Honorable Kadhuri Murungi, our mzee, the former Governor of Meru, Honorable Kiraitu Murungi, the Speaker of Meru County Assembly, Honorable Ayubu Bundi, the former Chairman of Meru County Council, Honorable Samuel Murugo Mugweka, and the Njuri Ncheke Diaspora Coordinators, Major Andrew Nkiri, Samuel Gitonga Mutungi, and Gitonga Gadua, for their wise counsel, the personal sacrifices which has helped us to arrive at this accord. Number 10, last but not least, we thank the Almighty God and all the leaders of Njuri Ncheke and the staff of the Governor's office who have worked very hard day and night, without whose deep love for Njuri Ncheke and the Ameru people, this accord would not have been so successfully negotiated and concluded. May the Almighty God bless Njuri Ncheke and all the people of Meru all the days of their lives.
Today, Njuri Ncheke ya Meru, we affirm and confirm the already read statement. Leo njuri tauga? Njuri tauga u? Igitarera twakinyia turi Njuri Ncheke ekauro becha u. Ute muntu munene, ute munjuri munene ke munjuri ungi. Na njuri ni mwe atwe turagwatanire twamberie transition kana twamberie go change ya utongeria bwetu bura bwaturukia kuma na arua mieri 18 nikenda tunenkanira mantles of power ke the incoming chairman na timu wewe nondo batu tukura tugasabu turi emeritus kana ayajani kirira kia Njuri Ncheke ya Meru tondu bau tugwatanirite na wa former governor na twecokagia ngatho nyingi muno nontu bwa wisdom wewe na tugacokeria the sitting governor ngatho nyingi muno nontu bwa toast na kuona ato facilities na manto jonthe ratu kwenda nikenda tumba ukinya twakinya na tukorwo cokia ngatho kiri speaker wetu county assembly, senator wetu Kadhuri Murungi barabara akuruba Njuri Ncheke no ntuba gwitania wao itanetie nikenda Njuri Ncheke egeta transition yo smoothly nikenda ngwataniro ya Meru ekarika tondu bugwa tukuga batu twe Njuri Ncheke ya Meru kuma tariki cia na arua tukwewa 60 days cia kubangania kiatho gikinene muno nikenda munjuri wonde na fraternity ya Meru yonde na rere Njuri Ncheke bakamenya tukwambiria rugendo rwa guchenjia nduki kana guchenjia utongeria bwa Njuri Ncheke tunenkera aruna betu kana njau ira turakuraia cia Njuri nikenda kwithira kwina existence ya Njuri kana wetina mbere bwa Njuri no ndutea tugaturo kinya bo bakinyia gita bageta na bangi beje kwa utugwira twikuraia Njuri
uni the chairman ura incoming ndirenda kuwa tukuthiria differences na tuwitikaniria tukendelea bwega na Njuri ni imwe kuma ntonyere mwanka thochi na tukawatanira na kwarukana kuu twawe 18 months kukathira kukabwithwo bwega na ndinama Njuri yatwegeta bwega na mbuwe bwega nontu kinyabwa barato tongoretie nontu bya kumenya turi a na inkubera bou twetikaniria nibo bubwirite utana mbere na turenda kuwa twi nyuma ya thirikari ya county twi nyuma ya thirikari ya national nondu njuri iritanaria ngui na thirikari njuri itita against thirikari iritanaria ngui na thirikari na tugendelea kuritanaria ngui na thirikari na ndirenda kuwa njuri imenyerero bwega na twina ama bara bakamenyerera no baria na bara bangi bariome na itukurombera Mzee Kadhera aiko bwega
mantu ya jonthe jakarikite untu bwa ngavana wetu Reverend Mutumo Ntwethinkia na anene bao kona twina bwao our former governor Karitu Marungi, the senator wa Meru County, the deputy speaker of the national senate. Ibo batumite mantu jaja karika na tukinyite tutongere twiba bonde okona bare ani bo anene ba county anu bajubu batiyo ibo batutongeretie na mantu iturete kandirie na kuma na aru akwendelea njuri nemwe
ihojo anjuri kame rigakunje ihojo anjuri kame rigakunje
na aru ara twakinya kirere ndigo ibwega kire murungu onto number 1 ara ngwatanirwo eri mantu ya magi chakarika aliria tugwatanirite twinde turi miru watuga tukarande twinde utongerete barake bathuri na kura atongere ba kanisa ibwega ibagwatanirite nonto kwena kiama gia makanisa jonde ja miru atongere banjuri nchege bo turai na waswazi yake nonto nande kurai na group ijire yagi na itombo karandi na tumbe kumenyera miru yetu Meru te gavana te senator na te ajumbe kana MCAs peke yake Meru ni community yonde gwatanirite ri one unit na kinyarire ya ndiguru ikura ya bwega ni untu bwa ngwataniro na muntu wonde na kirite antu bagwatanirite na bakwaria rugema so narua ibwega bwana our second governor Kiritu Murungi no ntu bwa kwithirwa ugo kinyagwe utwoneretie na kureta antu amwe ibwega bwana gavana wetu Mutumo Ntwethinkia no ntu bwa kutureta amwe turi njuri oni yani ndiuga igutureta muno ntukinya oni lakini ntari ndi kunjunga faction yoyote agiri rona ndi mukuru njuri ndi nti njuri ri ko mbatu lo ndi saindi yao kwero ndona bwana chairman aroya na mikwanjo muno iteite na njerewe ire au njero ngona we na ndo baba inge muno ngakwenda no nturi ya na ciaci benda muntu we na ndo baba inge kore ni genti utonyeje kweri kana toje lakini aro ngoro muno na ibwega congratulations no ntugo yete kwini coming chairman no gapike na mbere bwega kira ke atoma tuwa kinya na mbere miru etigwiti tabwega na ina mpadu nyingi na bana mutumi bwega no ntugo mauko yukete kya gavana numbite kureta ntu bonde amwe na ije na dini rari the last test uregeria kureta ntu ba mukaire na gukarema kweri kuretwe kamero wogoti umetithe wingava so go narua we na karubu ikange wekirwa ni community miru no ntu go spear end tukugweta mbaru ndise ni to wenu atwe na bwana mzee wetu Kiraitu na bwana speaker
na njuri kia na sauti emwe ote muntu otumba mithiki andene ndiguru iji bo wankwenda kuga bubu ni ushindi bwa miru asao ni ontu tukomba kwa na sauti emwe ya uria tumba kwa na sauti emwe kuma kingavana senator ajumbe betu na MCAs nonto party try tuku succeed nayo party re atiere ni Njuri Ncheke na ndukwe narua tukiuga Njuri Ncheke ni emwe itongeretwe ni outgoing chairman bwana Linus Kadhera na mure wijeta kuyukia gite bwana Royaro na timu wingi tukaburi bwega na ngaya butharime butongeria miru
arua ni history ya ndikwa ya Njuri Ncheke nontu nukumenya ni kumaranda ere mujumbe 2013 meke uyonde thirite 14 gutiro ndona Njuri gwatanirite na arua ara twakinya kirere ndigo ibwega kire murungu nontu number 1 aria ngwatanirwo eri mantu ja magicha karika aliria tugwatanirite twinde turi Miru watuika tuikarandi twinde utongerete barake bathuri na kura atongere ba kanisa ibwege bagwatanirite nontu kwina kiama gia makanisa jonde ja Miru atongere banjuri nchege bo turai na wasiwasi yake nontu nandi kurai na group ijire yagi na itombo karandi na tumbe kumenyera Miru yetu
Oyo mpongweruru nkametutuma ina Kongo. Oyo mpongweruru nkametutuma